Hello and welcome to Learn English 2 podcast. In this episode, you will learn English while you sleep. This is a beginner's guide made for absolute beginners who want to build a strong English foundation. You can listen while you rest, while you relax, or even while you sleep. Your brain will still absorb the sounds of English, and with daily practice, you will slowly become fluent. Let's begin with the basics. We start with single words. Listen and repeat them in your mind. Hello, goodbye, morning, night, friend, family, teacher, student, food, water, book, phone, house, city, country. These are simple words that you will use every day. Now let's put these words into easy sentences. Listen carefully. Hello, my friend. Good morning, teacher. I am a student. I drink water. I read a book. I use my phone. I go to school. I live in a city. I love my family. Practice repeating these short sentences. Let's move to everyday life English. Imagine your morning routine. You wake up. You say, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I take the bus. I study English. I meet my friends. I go back home. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to sleep. These sentences describe a normal day. Now let's practice short conversations. Person A says, Hello, how are you? Person B says, I am fine, thank you. And you? Person A says, I am good, nice to meet you. Person B says, nice to meet you too. Simple conversations help you build confidence. Another conversation example. Person A says, What is your name? Person B says, My name is Anna. What is your name? Person A says, My name is David. Person B says, Where are you from? Person A says, I am from Canada. Person B says, I am from India. Practice these dialogues in your mind. Let's practice habits. Good habits make learning English easier. Habit 1. Listen to English every day. Habit 2. Speak English even if you are alone. Habit 3. Write one sentence every day. Habit 4. Read simple English books or articles. Habit 5. Watch English videos with subtitles. Habit 6. Learn from your mistakes and try again. Now let's practice vocabulary with categories. Colors: red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, pink, purple, brown. Gray. Numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Food: rice, bread, apple, milk, coffee, tea, meat, fish, vegetables, cheese, butter, chicken, soup, salad, potato, tomato, onion, banana, orange. Drinks: water, juice, soda, tea, coffee, lemonade, milkshake, hot chocolate, family, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, grandfather, grandmother, son, daughter, husband, wife, jobs, doctor, teacher, nurse, student, driver, farmer, engineer, cook, waiter, singer, actor, police officer, firefighter, shopkeeper, places, school, hospital, bank, post office, market, supermarket, restaurant, airport, train station, bus stop, park, library, feelings, happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, hungry, thirsty, afraid, nervous, relaxed, calm. Practice these categories often. They will help you build strong memory connections. Now let's practice useful phrases for beginners. Excuse me. I am sorry. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Please help me. I don't understand. Can you repeat? How much is this? Where is the bathroom? What time is it? What is your phone number? Can you help me? I am learning English. I speak a little English. Now let's do pronunciation practice. Repeat slowly. This is a pen. That is a book. I am happy. You are my friend. We are students. They are teachers. The cat is on the table. The dog is under the chair. The apple is red. The house is big. The car is small. Let's practice daily routines again in more detail. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth with a toothbrush. I wash my face with water. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I drink coffee or tea. I take the bus to school. I go to work in the office. I use my computer. Now let's practice conversations in restaurants. Person A says, "Hello, can I see the menu, please?" Person B says, "Yes, here is the menu." Person A says, "I would like chicken and rice." Person B says, "Would you like something to drink?" Person A says, "Yes, I want water." Person B says, "Anything else?" Person A says, "No, thank you." Person B says, "Here is your food." Person A says, "Thank you very much." Person B says, "You are welcome." Let's practice health English. I have a headache. I have a stomachache. I have a cold. I have a fever. I need a doctor. I need medicine. Where is the hospital? Please help me. Let's practice school English. This is my classroom. This is my teacher. I read a book. I write with a pen. I listen to the teacher. I speak with my friends. I do my homework. I study every day. Let's practice time expressions. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, morning, afternoon, evening, night, now, later, soon, always, sometimes, never. Let's practice verbs. Eat, drink, go, come, sit, stand, walk, run, read, write, listen, speak, learn, teach, play, work, sleep. Now let's practice more conversations. Person A says, "What do you like?" Person B says, "I like music." Person A says, "I like sports." Person B says, "Which sport do you like?" Person A says, "I like football." Person B says, "I like basketball." Another conversation. Person A says, "Where are you going?" Person B says, "I am going to the park." Person A says, "What will you do there?" Person B says, "I will walk and relax." Remember, listening while sleeping is powerful. Even if you are not awake, your brain listens and learns. The more you hear English, the easier it becomes to understand and speak. Do this every day and your English will improve. Let's recap. Step 1. Learn basic words. Step 2. Use simple sentences. Step 3. Practice conversations. Step 4. Build good habits. Step 5. Repeat daily. Step 6. Listen while you sleep. Thank you for listening to Learn English 2 podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe, share this podcast with friends, and listen again while you sleep. Every time you listen, you grow your English skills. This is Learn English 2 podcast. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking with confidence. Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.